welcome to my channel, you guys. So today I'm actually going to be doing a review and also using a new product on my toes to remove my gel polish. So you guys, if any one of y'all are new to my channel is about hair, beauty, nails, inside and outside beauty. And welcome back to all of my subscribers. All right, you guys. So today I'm going to dive in, just going through and just let you guys know the product. So this is the product right here. The name of it is Gel No More. So Gel No More, it says, is a fast and damage-free gel polish remover. I don't know, y'all. You know, they come up with all kinds of stuff nowadays. You don't even know if it really works or not unless you try it. But yeah, so you can get this from Sally's, and we'll see. So let me show you guys how it looks. This is how it looks. And it comes with a little brush. It's a little sticky. A little. So we're going to use this on my toes because I have gel polish on my toes and I want to go ahead and remove those. So, and I'm also going to change the polish and I'm going to chit chat with you guys. So what I'm going to do is reposition the camera and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, so as you can see, these are my toes. I have my light blue gel polish on. I'm going to go ahead and apply the Gel No More. And we're going to see how fast this actually removes the gel to see if this product really works, okay? You never know how things are going to try until you actually use it yourself. So let's go ahead and do that now. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my toes. So you always want to read instructions, of course. So I will also put that in there. I'll actually put it up there so you can be able to see it. It just tells you the ingredients, and it tells you, let me tell you, hold on, you guys, for 1 and 3 step gel. Okay, this one is for soft gel, glitter, and it's also, oh, it's for regular polish too, you guys, and for dip powders. Okay. So far it just says instruction: buff the top, put 1 layer on, okay, boom, 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 wait 30 seconds, then reapply a second coat, wait 3 to 4 minutes, all right, 3 to 4 minutes, then it says push with a gel pusher tool, okay, and then to finish it off you have to buff off the nails, okay, to remove all of the residue and stuff that's left back. All right, you guys, let's start. Look at this, you guys. Look at the consistency of it. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'll definitely put a picture in there so y'all can see it somewhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. Guys, I don't even know if it's gonna work, but hey, let's just try it out. Hey, ain't nothing wrong with trying something different. You guys, it smells like fingernail polish remover and I don't know. It smells like they didn't put something together, but It smells like fingernail polish remover to me. Like, it is what it is, huh? And as I'm painting this on, you guys, for some reason, it just looks so gooey. Oh gosh. It's not even like a regular polish, but we'll see. Let's see what happens. It don't even look like I have enough on the brush to even put it on there, but it's there. Okay. Okay, you guys. Oh, it's been 3 to 4 minutes as it says. So let's see what it has done so far. Uh-oh. Okay, maybe getting a little something off here. Uh-oh. Wait a minute, y'all. The gel is coming up. Ooh. Y'all, I think we found a winner. I need to get some more of this stuff. You guys. Y'all might need to look into this. It's the first time I ever found something that take off polish this fast. Especially gel polish, because, you know, gel polish is common now. And I'm just, you know, just slightly scraping it, and it's coming off. Now, maybe I probably got to put another layer on there, but the girl just, that's all she doing. Just slightly scrubbing it off. All right. Ooh. Oh, okay. That's why I was saying you probably had to scrub it. You know, like when you take it off, you know, if you want it, you could put another layer, then buff it off after. I like this, you guys. This has made my process fast. Ooh, look at that, y'all. We done found something. All right, now I'm about to put this up there, y'all. So what I'm gonna do is, ooh, y'all see this? Y'all see this? Now I done put this stuff on here. Yeah, it ain't cleaned it up. Look, y'all. We're about to get beautified with these toes. We didn't got this thing off. Don't worry, we're gonna buff the rest of it off. Alright, maybe we might put another layer on there. Wow. Alright, well, at least you can tell you took off the majority of it. The other toes. So maybe I had too much on here and I don't know. Let's see how it did with this one. Ooh, wait a minute. All I did was lightly touch that now. All right now. What's going on here? Okay. pretty much done with my toes, you guys. So I don't know. I first got it the other day. I was like, I don't know if this is gonna work. I was nervous, you guys. I was nervous. You know how it is when you spend money on certain things and it costs an arm and a leg, or sometimes it just, you look at the product and you're like, this don't look like it's worth what they're charging you for. So far, I give it from a scale of 1 through 10, I give it an 8. I give it an 8. Like a part of me is like, give it a 10 because it seems like it took off the gel just as fast as the pure acetone. You had to let it sit, but you just had to go back again to apply another coat over it. But as an overall, when you use the pure acetone, you have to let it sit until it peels off. Then you have to scrub it. Then you put it again. So I guess I give it a 10, you guys. So you can go ahead out there and try it. Not trying to promote it, nothing. I'm just saying this is something that helped me. More than likely could help you. Just something that I tried, and I mean, you never know. I mean, you just purchasing to see what it's like and see if you like it. It's being sold at Sally's, and the name of it again is Gel No More, and this is how it looks in this bottle. I don't know if you guys can see it. Gel No More, and it will tell you fast and damage free gel polish remover. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I just wanted to come on and give y'all a quick review of this and try it myself, so you could actually see me trying it and show you guys the consistency of it. So this is how it looks, you guys. I don't know. It's like, and y'all, I'm telling you, this thing smells exactly like fingernail polish remover. Maybe just a little bit of pure acetone. I don't know. Everybody, since the smell is totally different, but mine smells like, it really do smell like fingernail polish remover. But you know, you guys, they have all these different things out here. The same thing that they use hair glue and different stuff to glue your eyelashes or different stuff. They put it in different bottles and they tell you that you can use it for this, but it does the same thing. You know, you just decorate it with a different label. So you just never know. But I just wanted to try something different, you guys, and y'all can try it out. So I'm going to go ahead and lay everything down in the description box, you guys. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video, you guys. All right, you guys. So I will see you guys again tomorrow, which is Wednesday, you guys. So don't forget to come back and see me tomorrow, you guys. So I will see you then, and I hope that if you guys do see it, just, you know, drop me a comment, let me know what you think about it, and tell me, do you rate it between 1 and 10? You know, I would like to know what you guys think about this product and how it worked for you. Okay. All right, bye.